What's up, you're watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In this video I've got you a really awesome unboxing. This is the Honor Band 6 slash the Huawei Band 6. Guys, both are the same bands, just the difference in workout modes, and that's it. So here I went with the Honor Band, and as you can see, that's the box. But before that, let's have a look at the box. The front is pretty clear, and here on the back we have some main features along with the information on the sides, the MRP, the QR code for the Huawei Health app. And now let's pull this flap, and here we have the watch in sandstone gray color. I am super excited, and as you can see, pretty nice finish. The sides are made from 100% natural aluminum. No plastic is used here, on the sides of the watch. Here is the magnetic charger, the warranty card, the user manual, and as you can see, pretty thick books right there. If you have free time, you can read them. And now let's have a look at the cable. That's the warranty card right there. The magnetic charging supports fast charging with a 10 minutes charge and 3 days play, so that's great. And it's worth mentioning that the magnets are really secure, and it won't fall out on its own. So as you can see, that's the watch. Let's plug it in for the first time, and it powers on with the branding of Honor, so that's great. And now let's just wait for a while for it to boot up, and now it's asking me to select the language. Now I'll select English. After that, we need to download the latest Huawei Health app from the Huawei app gallery, not the Play Store, because that one is an year old. So anyways, and guys, here I have this Honor Band 6 slash Huawei Band 6 all calibrated, and as you can see, bam, right there, that is the watch. And as you can see, this is the 1.47 inches AMOLED display, which is perfect. So now let's talk about the physical overview. So here on the right hand side, we have this button with this red accent. On the other side, we have the branding of Honor. And then here, this is the main screen. And first, let's do the satisfying job of removing the protective film. And as you can see, the pristine finish of the curved glass. So guys, here we have the branding of Honor, and then if you turn over, we can exactly see the sensors. These are the charging points and the sensor, which includes an SpO2, a heart rate, an acceleration sensor which is inside, and of course the wearing sensor. And as you can see, this is the magnetic connector. This also supports fast charging, which means a 10 minutes charge would last 3 days on this watch, as you can see, just like that. So guys, I have installed third-party watch faces, but I don't recommend that you do it. But anyways guys, as you can see, here we have these watch faces, and let's put this one. This is a third-party watch face. As we swipe from left to right or right to left, we get these quick access widgets that we can change. That's for the sleep, and the weather seems to be a bit inaccurate. My location is a bit inaccurate, but that's totally the fault of the app and not the watch. And finally, now when we click the side button, we can access the main menu, which includes workout, then workout records, heart rate, SpO2, sleep, stress, and these SpO2 monitors and all is very accurate. Now of course I won't show you, but if just keep it in air, then it will say that wear the band properly, so it's not a fake sensor. So as you can see, and we can check out other stuff like flashlight and alarms, timer, stopwatch. And then we can go on settings, change the display brightness, the screen on time, the screen off time, the vibration, do not disturb, and all that stuff. So yeah guys, this was a really quick unboxing, and I would really soon also post a review video, in which first I'll use this for a week and then I'll post the video. So I hope you really enjoyed this really short and quick unboxing, and I'll catch you in the next one.